Hey everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you how to send a message on Spotify. So you can see we have our account over here, and if you want to send a message to, let's just say, anybody, what you can do is simply first of all make sure that they are added with you, and then you're going to be heading over to your account, and from here you can see we have multiple options showing up. So the thing is that it is not available currently on the free version, but once you head over to your profile you will be able to see that if you have any followers or friends you can easily message them. And yeah, so these are the followers and everything. Now let's just go back. So if you want to send any kind of message, you're going to be needing to add your friends onto Spotify. And yeah, of course that is going to be requiring the premium version of the account, since you cannot do that on the free version. So if you want to do that you need to upgrade, and only then you will be able to send a message to your friend. So I hope this information was helpful, and if it was, you can subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more, and see you in the next video.